Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix your device is at risk, one harmful apps found. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store. Tap on profile picture. Again click on Play Protect. You can show your device is at risk, one harmful apps found. Then tap on Uninstall. You can uninstall harmful apps and solve this problem. You can follow the step to fix your device is at risk. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.